little flip movie of our
A little video.
on Facebook
Yeah.
of our street. The quality of the pretty good right there.
I'm gonna put it on frankie4wheeldrive.com. It's a new website I'm gonna make today.
Need a four-wheeler?
Oh, he's got a co-pilot, huh?
Yeah, you can do that on the side.
This is like the Dakar Rally or something.
Frankie four-wheeler.
This is like rally car where he's got a co-pilot.
What are we? The tire changing?
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. Let's go, Frankie.
The guy at Acme, I went over there and there were like 5 people in the store, but the lot is totally full. And he said, "Yeah, you think everybody's shopping?"
Yeah, no, they're not
No.
shopping.
Oh, because everybody parked their car there.
Yeah. We should have done that. Damn.